Hey, this is Daniel Nix with tinlist.com, and today we're going to install a magnetic door stop at the bottom of our door so that we can catch our doors whenever we open. Basically, all we're going to need for this project is a simple screwdriver. It's already come with the screws that we're going to need. And the neat thing about these is that the panels actually come off, and you install these first and then screw on what you need. And so we're going to do that today. And what I have here is a dry erase marker. This happens to be dry erase paint. And so what we're going to do is just going to draw a circle on the outline of this here. Then whenever we install on the door, we're going to shut it. And wherever the circle forms, that's where we're going to mount the plate. So let's get started. That's it. Thanks to some household tools and a handy little door closing kit from Home Depot, it is that simple to keep your home doors closed. And remember, if I can, you can, and if you can't, contact the experts at www.tinlist.com.